Okay, so we're in the Dollar General. There's Rachel.
Or actually, we're in the Dollar Tree.
Dollar Tree.
So I saw something really cute for fall that I wanted to show you. Lily, have you ever seen the window clings?
Yes, but we don't have any windows to
What does
get
that
them
say?
to
Happy harvest?
Yes.
I guess we can maybe. Oh, we could put them on the mirror.
The mirror.
That whole length mirror in the nursery.
We never use that mirror. Yeah. Oh, here's some scented candles.
I think.
Oh, okay, this is cinnamon spiced.
Lily, I honestly think we should get these window clings.
What about these cinnamon spiced candles?
Are they like the on and off switch ones?
No, they give off a scent whenever they're lit.
Yeah, those are cute. But maybe see if they have like the
Well, the ones that turn off and off, on and off, don't have things. I just got an idea. What if they had a Febreze thing since that had that? So we can try to find some orange light up candles, and we'll get these too.
Hey,
Wait, let's go get a basket.
which
real quick.
window clings do you like? These or those?
Happy Thanksgiving.
Oh, those are more geared towards
Let's get a basket. Okay. Rachel, you have the honors of putting the window cleanings in the basket. You bought two of them.
I'm just. Yeah,
Just grab one.
I didn't mean to do that. People. I just love them. I feel like they're so cute. Just hang and put places.
So this is the first thing we got. And so we're not going to tell you guys all the stuff we got, but we're going to show you a little bit things that we think are adorable. So we'll be right back. Hey guys, so we just saw Kim.
So we're hiding in this section because we didn't see Mom.
She was coming our way.
And even though we haven't picked up anything for her yet, we didn't want her to see, which direction we're headed.
We found these toothbrushes. They make toothbrushes so advanced that they can't even probably get wet anymore.
So,
How much is this? That's crazy.
Lily, let's know what place should we go first?
My toothbrush is so advanced. Let's go look in the perfume center because she needs that perfume. I'm kidding. You stink whenever your daughter gets you perfume. This is a men's cologne.
No, we're just kidding.
This is the men's cologne. We found the men's cologne, Rachel. Let's pause.
Had to shoo Mom out.
Because we thought we saw her, but that was actually her, and then that wasn't her, but then I saw her, and she was walking. It was like super cute. And I saw her, like, oh no.
Lily, did she see anything in the basket?
No, she didn't. Rachel, calm down. So we're thinking maybe. All this stuff is like super overpriced. Whoosh. CoverGirl.
We need to go to the love story.
Wow. I don't think someone recognizes that. Actually, a woman. Okay, let's go. So, yeah, we just ran into her, and I was like super scared because I saw her. This way, Rachel. Come on, let's go. Let's go look at some beauty products. Ooh, look, a mirror. A very fancy mirror. Whoosh.
Lily, we need to go ask the workers where the Calgon is.
Calgon. What's a Calgon?
It's like a really, really special, relaxing,
I almost just slipped on my
shower gel. And I think she'd love it.
Okay. So. Oh, okay. So we need to Pause. What?
So,
Hey guys, so we just saw Kim.
So we're hiding in this section because we did just see Mom.
She was coming our way.
And even though we haven't picked up anything for her yet, we didn't want her to see, which direction we're headed.
We found these toothbrushes. They make toothbrushes so advanced that they can't even probably get wet anymore.
So,
how much is this? It's crazy.
Lily, what place should we go first?
My toothbrush is so advanced. Let's go look in the perfume center because she needs that perfume. I'm kidding. You stink whenever your daughter gets you perfume. This is a men's cologne.
No, we're just kidding.
This is the men's cologne. We found the men's cologne, Rachel. Let's pause.
We'll give you guys a haul once we get home, but we're going to get her some chocolate right now.
Chocolate makes me so excited.
And a birthday card. Or actually, let's not get her chocolate. Let's just get her candy because that might melt by the time her actual birthday gets here.
Yeah, so let's just get her some candy.
Yeah, let's go. Let's hurry.
So, let's go. Okay, so now we accidentally left the money in this morning. So now we gotta go pick it up because we accidentally left it. So let's go get that traffic. I'm gonna put you guys in the shopping cart because it's like so obvious. It's only famous in the cart. It's because they don't have that girl that's there. So let's go pick up that money now. Let's go. Oh, there he is. He's sitting right there. Yes. Hello.
Hey guys, I'm talking.
Why are you whispering? She's like all the way across the store.
Oh, I thought she was like right there. Anyways, so yes, Mom does know we're shopping for her, but she is not allowed to see what we're getting her and everything, so yeah. But she knows that I came to Target with shopping for her in mind because her birthday is the 27th of October, so yeah. Tried to film it on the camera and it died, so we're just doing it now. So yeah, that's basically it. So did you finish? Alright. Okay, now that's all for this clip. So yeah, the DIY supplies is we basically just got some fall stuff that we'll show you guys later. And yeah, now it's time. Lily, go get Mom. Okay. I'm gonna get this off to record too. So tell her to come here. And this is Mom's early birthday present because it's actually not her birthday yet. So we thought we'd treat her a little. Is she coming?
Yeah, she's coming.
Wait, don't let the dog in. Don't let the dog in. We thought we'd treat her a little bit early this year. Oh, y'all, look at this bib we got for the girls. It's
my bib. And then it's a headband. So we'll probably let you wear the headband. Just put this in there.
I'm just her actual birthday is on October 27th, and it's literally the 6th. But I was literally so excited. I love buying presents.
It's like 11 days away.
I love buying presents for people, you guys. I'm like, Mom! Go get her. Tell her she has a bag of goodies waiting for her. Right here. Is she coming? Like, for real? Okay, so we're vlogging this.
Yeah, but
So excited.
okay.
This is the best day ever, guys.
Here you
These two girls always pick out the best gifts for me. Should I just open it all at one time?
go. No, just open it. Just wait, reach in there. Okay. So just reach in there and grab it. Wait, hold on. First, reach in there.
Sometimes a mom needs laughter, sharing warmth. Sometimes a mom needs understanding, encouragement, and guidance. But a mom always needs love. We love you, Rachel and Willie. That's so sweet.
Okay.
Oh,
Now, reach
did
in there
you-
and grab like 1 or 2.
did you read what the card said on the inside?
Yeah, it says, as time goes by, I appreciate more and more all the things you've done for me. I recognize kind acts and real life sacrifices.
We're finally done. This is the finished product. And
Oh no, we fell off.
no, they fell off. How sad. But literally this whole project was probably, would you say like $2?
Yeah, $2.
Yeah. From the Dollar Tree. The Dollar Tree.
It's the same leaf that fell off like 2 minutes ago.
Yeah. Let's just tape it back on.
That's a lot of tape. Okay, this project is not done yet.
You have to be careful while doing this because yes, your leaves will fall off, and
It's your fault, people. They will fall off.
it took us like a little bit of time, but it was under an hour, obviously.
It was like 10 minutes.
Yeah, so that's not that bad for a DIY. And I mean, this is a pretty easy way to make a wreath because I know some people who like sew things for wreaths and stuff, and I feel like this is easy and cute. Hopefully the Dollar Tree will sell Christmas stuff soon so we can make a Christmas wreath. But yeah, that's our DIY for the day, and we are going to say goodnight right here. So please click like and subscribe, everybody. And Lily, you want to say it with me? Love the little things. Bye. Love y'all.